to keep cool, Babylon, you don't know what you're saying. Rasta say to keep cool, Babylon, you don't know what you're doing. King Rasta come now soon. Him come with thunder and lightning to clear the way. The world will come and blow them away. Keep cool. King Rasta come now soon. Rasta say to keep cool, Babylon, you don't know what you think. Rasta say to keep cool, Babylon, you don't know what you say. I say to keep cool, Babylon, you don't know what you say. King Rasta come now soon. Him come with thunder and lightning to clear the way. The world will come and blow them away. Keep cool. Keep cool. King Rasta come now soon. 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 In a man's Rastafari, smite the lintels of Babylon now. Set all black man free and all righteous mind free. Now.
Welcome and come in.
Hallelujah, there is no
Off family, all friend, you're tuned in. Strictly Rastafari music here tonight. And I give thanks for my going out and my coming back in. You are tuned in to Satta Sound right here, live and direct, Brooklyn, West Side. All corners, all race, all people. There's no language where the Most High cannot be heard, you know. Hallelujah, there is no night. Most High Jah, Rastafari music. Empress Men and I music. Coming through in a balanced kind of music. Soul repair kind of music. Heartbeat kind of music.
Your son, my son, this is our place under the sun. The whole thing a designated solar system. There's a little humor in the equation. My son, your son, my son, this is our place under the sun. What is your root of a standing of relevance? About what this life become? As predominantly here are the hydrocarbons. Every living organism is made of carbon. That's the you mention in the word human. The blackness of oil is fire one. The blackness of coal is heat is on. From the blackness of coal, exquisite diamond. Replicated photocopies through jetting carbon. See the same thing on your receipt, on your check and stub. Talking baby, and you have to write it down.
Jaja show we say humanity celestial. 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. And I make them split your mentally figure win election. Each nation have to rise up lifting the next one. Cause all are we forward from the same carbon. Every tint and every shade all color variation. Volcano erupt, lava splash create land. Streams of fire flowing deep beneath the ocean. Fibonacci symbols, carbon printing everything from the soil up to the root, them where the fruit has stem from. Yeah. Jaff and Shem, all are we forward from the same carbon.
My son, your son, my son, this is our place under the sun. The whole thing a designated solar system. There's a little humor in the equation. My son, your son, my son, this is our place under the sun. What is your root of a standing of relevance? Should I address the delusion hurting all iration that brought to tangibility and illusion? Some will see them from a place of non-existence while they carry out a purge of planet reduction. Yes, a mindset of a process of elimination involving psychology, tanks, bombs and guns. The heaviest weapon is information. Deadliest weapon is information.
Same carbon, some try to demonize our land. Like they're doing to ISIS and everything that is African. Where them show up on TV station. Inside fear and drive more division. Poison the youths and talk about a natural selection. Nanotechnology software injection. Fire of mine, Rastafari.
My son, your son, my son. This is our place under the sun. What is your root of standing of relevance? About what this life become?
Organic life, organic architecture, organic fun, and that is who we are. Hydrocarbon.
Reaching out all royal kings and queen, man like Mr. Williams alongside Earl 16. Touching policy.
Born and raised in the ghettos of the city.
Ghetto living, you know.
When we were young, the living wasn't easy. We had to be strong. Yes, we had to be humble.
Yeah, I have a smart, you know.
Because survival was the key.
Necessity, you know. Yeah.
And hanging out on street corners in some volatile area. You're about to get pulled over by gunmen, police, or the soldiers. You could end up on that road for things you never know.
Like so many.
We had to do the best we can not to end up in the prisons.
Tell them now.
I've got to find my way back home.
I and I are forward now.
And no more will I roam.
No, 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 no.
'Cause it's been so long. We've
long,
been
I
down in Babylon.
Nah, sure, yeah.
And there's no place for the Rasta man.
Watch out. Well, not to get there, you have to step it. It don't really matter anyway you want check it. System, I just saw how them set it. 500 years, bingy man, now forget it. Up in at the hills, pan the farm where we edit. Down in at the city, you want pay blood shit it. Marcus Garvey, they done come set it. And Earl 16 just a sing out the message. Watch out now, I and I help spread it. Did you get to youths, make them know say we bless it. Love and unity where you feel express it. Don't let the wickedness get embedded. Certain type of thinking, you know where you feel left it. Certain type of teachment, we not accept it. Youths in the ghetto, them call we aggressive. And then not talk about we non-progressive. That is why
I've got to find my way back home.
I and I are forward home, yeah.
And no more will I roam.
You hear the man I say.
'Cause it's been so long. We've been down in Babylon.
Say,
And there's no place for the Rasta man.
No place for the Rasta.
Find my way
don't
back
come
home.
like her 16 alongside I and I, Mr. Williams, on the scene.
And no more will I roam.
Special request, I'll get to you, tell conscious
Got
kings
to
and
find
queens.
my way back home.
Tell them that.
To the promised land, yeah.
Zionites, you know.
Rastafari, know that's where we from.
Tell them.
I've got to find my way back home.
I forward home, yeah.
And no more will I roam.
No, 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 no.
'Cause it's been so long. We've
God,
been
John, know
down in Babylon. And there's no place for a Rasta man.
No place for the Rasta man.
I've got to find my way back home.
Forward up. Last sign on.
No more down in Rome.
No Babylon shall escape in this time.
Wheel it back because it's a proper track, you know? called Johnny Clark.
No Babylon shall escape in this time by beating, killing, and trimming nasty dreadlocks. No Babylon shall escape in this time by beating, killing, and trimming nasty dreadlocks. It's time Babylon should know better and allow nasty dread. For they that is bound in the very nasty dread, just shall start Know yourself, Babylon, about the trouble in nasty dread. Know yourself, Babylon, about the trouble in nasty dread. Anything you do, it's up to you. So don't you be no fool. See by the rules and try to understand. And try to understand. Know yourself, Babylon, about that trouble do not regret. Know yourself, Babylon, about that trouble do not regret. When Jah come, it's a go dread. It's a go dread in a Babylon. When Jah come, it's a go dread. It's a go dread in a Babylon. Not to know that crime don't pay. That's why not be obeyed. So when you see the naughty dress, please take care of them. Know yourself, Babylon, about that trouble do not regret. Know yourself, Babylon, about that trouble do not regret. When Jah come, it's a go dread. It's a go dread in a Babylon. When Jah come, it's a go dread. It's a go dread in a Babylon. Know yourself, Babylon, about that trouble do not regret. No Babylon shall escape in this time. By beating, killing, and treating nasty dreadlocks. No Babylon shall escape in this time. By beating, killing, and treating nasty dreadlocks. Know yourself, Babylon, about that trouble in a people. Know yourself, Babylon, about that trouble in a people.
Right, be acceptable in thy sight, oh, alright. This alone can hold the line. What you're saying outside and what you're meditating inside, manifesting in time. Hearsay running through the streets like a bull's wine.
You know, I'm gonna fill it up because it's a proper track, you know. This one coming to you from Children of Jah. This is the Most High sound, this is the Midnight sound, Ake Becca sound. This is my sound. This is Satta sound.
Be acceptable in thy sight, oh, alright. This alone can hold the line. What you're saying outside and what you're meditating inside, manifesting
stain upon your life deeper than an indigo dye. As a matter of fact, you don't choose to speak all the time. True, it feels like the value of a painful rewind. I got all our lessons that have to keep in mind. Not complicated considerations have to keep in mind. Visitation when it's harvest and it's reaping time. Starting out with the insects when it's feasting climb. Climbing up to the prettiest fruit where the nectar is nice, with this danger of life. Human is animal sensorium and consciousness combined. In the VI, where the weather ever feels just right, let joy recline, let righteous heart incline, and let joy recline, let righteous heart incline. Oh.
Yes, family, too many selections. We're gonna rush it. This is a bad tune coming to you from midnight. Danny I, Zion I Kings.
Many years with nothing dread. Half the time a Rasta man. Yo, cause man will be the first to admit man did I do no wrong. Many years of searching within till I found the higher man.
Yes, I give thanks for the time and the motions.
Lord King David's words with the songs.
Give thanks for His Majesty's work here on earth.
I let Babylon go.
Give thanks for the angels I get to do it with. Give thanks, Zion I Rose.
Out of me heart,
David.
out of me soul.
Chico. Azad, pick up yourself. Nomad, pick up yourself. All people in Brooklyn, give thanks for holding the space here.
Out of your soul.
I'm gonna zip you one more because it's my title track.
In war and in peace,
And then I'm gonna touch the road.
youth struggle.
Give it over to Zion Rose. Give thanks for the moments. You're tuned into Satta Sound. We'll check you next time in between time. And in the meantime, love.
Hold it together.
Perfect love, you know?
In can't believe just to hold it together. Rastafari relief holds us together, yeah. Cause I let it go out of mind and soul and bones. Let it go. Let Babylon go. Let it go.
We were raised in a place of old. All we know is bought and sold. It's all about to control and what has never been told. They divide us to control, but we're all in the same.
Yes, once again, give thanks. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your brothers and sisters. Rolling out with the vibes, Zion Rose.
There's a land far, far away where there's no night, there's only day. Look into the book of life and you will see that there's a land a land far, far away, where kings of kings and the Lord of lords sit upon his throne